Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am so excited about this haul. It is a Rihoas fall fashion try on haul. And if you guys been watching my channel for a while, you guys know I love Rihoas. I think their quality pieces never disappoint me. I do believe they are reasonable price. I do also have a coupon code, so if you guys are interested, make sure that use that coupon code to save some extra cash. With that being said, this video is in collaboration with Rihoas, so a big thank you to Rihoas for sending all these pieces to me. I've been working with Rihoas for, I believe, over a year now, and I am just always super thrilled. If you're looking for clothing pieces that are really classy and timeless, you need to check out Rihoas. They are known for their European French style clothing. If you want to look put together at all times, try out Rihoas. I promise you, you will not regret it. You will come back and thank me. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off with this gorgeous top right here. I love this. I feel like it hits me in all the right places and it's so flattering. And honestly, I feel like this would be flattering on anybody. This is a knit style material and it's very stretchy. Whenever Rihoas brings something like this, I always get it in a small because I already know it's going to be super stretchy. And since I am petite, if I was to get this in a medium, it would have extra gathering material right here. And it's not that cute. I definitely say this is true to size, but for me personally, I always get this in the small because it's really stretchy, super stretchy. You don't have to worry about it being tight on you or uncomfortable. This is one of the most comfortable sweaters you will get. I would definitely say this is, yes, for fall time, which I'm definitely gonna wear for the fall time, but also for Christmas. I am thinking of wearing this for Christmas Day. I'm not sure, we'll see, but the color is like a true vibrant red. Moving on to another top that I picked up. It is this one right here. I just thought this was so beautiful. I think this is the one size fits all. Yeah, it's called a free size, so it's a one size, but again, this is super stretchy. It looks really tiny. Look at it, guys. It is super stretchy. You don't have to worry about the sleeves being tight because again, it is super stretchy. It stretches about 3 times its size. Definitely say this could fit up to an extra large. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I think it's nice and flattering. It's more of a thicker material. I love this chocolatey, luscious brown. I like this crossover panel right here. Do you see that? They have this where it just looks classy and it's an extra detail that is just so gorgeous. You could definitely wear this more like that or like this. I was looking forward to getting this plaid skirt. So imagine this plaid skirt with this together. They look so gorgeous together. And I think I got this in a size medium. Let me see. Yeah. Size medium. Absolutely love this. It's a really nice, cozy, soft, non-scratchy plaid skirt. This is your traditional fall skirt. You need this. If you want to look like that traditional pumpkin spice fall aesthetic outfit, you guys need to get this. I love this. So it does have a non-stretchy panel in the front, but in the back it does have a stretchy waistband. It has the zipper that goes down to help you put it up. I really love this one. This is really beautiful. I love the brown with the nude. There's a little bit of burgundy. It's just absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful, very classy, and I am looking forward to wearing that together, these together with some black heel boots. It's just one of my favorites, guys. It's so nice and soft. You guys need to pick this up. I got this really pretty, classy looking tweed shorts. To me, tweed and fall go together. And I got these. I got this in a size medium and they're just absolute stunners. Such great quality. I love the button. It has really beautiful detail and it's gold. It looks like this and it's black with white lines, just like the classic tweed shorts. In the back it has this little dip. I hope you guys can see that. Just the attention to detail is everything. So it does button up and then it does have also the zipper that goes down, so it's really nice on and off. You could definitely wear this with like some tights and some boots, whatever. There's so many versatile ways of wearing this. A nice chunky sweater or a fitted sweater, a bodysuit, throw a jacket over it or a coat, so you can look very luxe and chic. I love this, guys. This is so darn cute. I cannot wait to wear this. Moving on to a super classy cardigan sweater. I absolutely love this, and it is this one right here. Now I got this in a size medium. When it comes to cardigan sweaters, I always get it in medium because I'm very heavy on top, so I want to make sure that the buttons don't like pop open or do this little thing right here. I cannot stand that, so I always get it in medium. Even though I could have gotten the small, I get in the medium because it has buttons. Like I said, it is very, very stretchy, so definitely I would say, even though it's a medium, if you're not heavy on top, you could definitely size down on this because it has so much stretch. If you want it to be more on like the more fitted size, of course you could wear this as a cardigan or a sweater, however you like. I just think this in general is just such a gorgeous, classy piece. And one thing I do want to say is that this is buttery soft. Like, it is so nice. I love the details. I love the details at the end. It kind of a little bit like flares out slightly, and then it also slightly flares out at the bottom. I love the stitching, like the cream mixed with the black lines, and I love the buttons. They just go together so well. If you were to pick one or two items, I would definitely say, like I said earlier, the skirt and this right here. This cardigan sweater is one of my favorites. When I seen it, I was like, I know I have to get this one. This is just hands down gorgeous. So it is this one right here, and it is a size medium, and it has like that fuzzy, soft, buttery soft texture. I forget what this name is. Please let me know the material. I love this. It is so nice and fuzzy, so soft. I would definitely say it's a little bit like more of a relaxed fit, so it does have like a nice loose fit. Just love the way it feels. It's so luxe and soft. It feels like your ultimate soft blanket that you can cozy around the fire. It is gorgeous. I love this the black lines around it, and it is just a dream. This is the last item that I picked from their website. This is brand new for fall. This is their brand new hot drop, which this I would have to say is also one of my favorites from this video, because when I seen it, I was instantly drawn to it. And honestly, this has like a expensive factor to it. So it looks like this, and it's basically a striped long sleeve top. It's more of a thin material, so it would keep you warm, but it won't overheat you. I love this. I feel like this is perfect for layering. Okay, so I got this in a size large. I really love it. I love like the detail that, not the detail, the zipper that goes down, and I love the zipper right here that's like a cognac brown color. I think that's like a really nice touch. I like the higher neck. Do you see that? It's so nice. I like the sleeves that are a little bit more loose. It's just really nice, very comfortable, not itchy or scratchy. Such great quality. This honestly looks like high end, and it's just gorgeous. So this, like I said, is one of my favorites. I'm in love with this. Moving on to accessories, I was really excited about this bag. Now this bag, I know they had it for several months now, and I was like, you know what, I have to try it. I tried a lot of their bags, but this one I would say is probably one of their like best quality. It is so nice. First of all, the color is a perfect like bright red. This is really nice and sturdy, like really hardcore quality. I really love this strap right here. It is adjustable, so you can wear it over the shoulder or crossbody. It has this thing right here where it also holds this down. I hate it when they don't have this and then this thing just like pops up, and it's so ugly. Have an 11 Pro Max iPhone, and it does not fit in here because the inside is a little bit more narrow than here. So if this would have been the same, my phone would fit, but because it's a little narrow here, it does not fit. I feel like maybe I could, but I don't know. I'll have a hard time taking it out, and that, to me, I don't want that. But I don't know. This in a way gives me like vintage vibes. honestly. Like, I feel like this is vintage, and it just has that look. Like, I usually don't see bags like this. This is so unique. It has like these little 2-button details right here, and it's red everywhere, guys. It's like such a beautiful design as well. And like I said, it opens like this. This is very structured. This is how it looks. You can't fit a lot in here, and since this has no stretch, you can't really shove stuff in there, but this is perfect for like going out. For Christmas, I think this is just so beautiful, and I think it was like $15. I'm not really sure, but it was really affordable. The belt that I picked up is this right here. I honestly really love their belts. I noticed their belts are really great quality. I think I have like 3 of them right now, and I am always loving their belt. This one looks like this. I really like the design. I thought it was really unique, and then it has this right here where you could just pull this in like so, put it wherever you want, and then do you see that? You just push this down, and there's your belt. This is nice. I think everybody needs like a classy, black, nice quality belt. I always use belts. I love to use it especially with jeans or with the dress. If I want to like dress it up, make it look a little bit more expensive. I love this one. I just think it's such great quality. Moving on to jewelry. I got 2 jewelry pieces. First off are these earrings right here. I think both of the jewelry were around $10. Their jewelry is really affordable and really great quality. And I think if I remember correctly, these are stainless steel. So that's one thing I really love about Rihoas. Jewelry is stainless steel, and they will have like gold plating on it. I thought these were really special and very classy, very up my alley. They honestly look expensive, and I just love them. When I seen them, I was like, I have to get them. I think these are perfect for like Christmas time. Very comfortable. So they do have like a little weight to them when you hold them in your hands, but when I put them on my ear, you cannot feel them whatsoever. So I really love that. Look at that. Are they not beautiful? Look at that. Oh, I love it. 10 out of 10 for sure. And then the last piece that I picked up is this snake chain gold necklace. I've been wanting something like this for the longest time. You don't have to worry about it tarnishing. I had one of this necklace a while back. I think I had one like this like 3 years ago from Shein, and it was like $2. But it tarnished on me so bad, and you guys know with Shein it's like a hit or miss. So I decided to try this. So I feel like this is just gonna last me. I have tried a lot of Rihoas jewelry pieces, and they have not tarnished on me yet. The tag right here, it does say stainless steel, and it's a really beautiful snake chain. It does have about a 2-inch extender, so let me put it on so you guys can see. This is how the necklace looks, and of course if you want it shorter, you don't have to use the extender. You can make it like a little bit more shorter like that. I love this. I can see myself wearing this a lot, so I'm really happy I got this. This has been on my wish list. If you are into like classy gold jewelry, I highly recommend that you try this because it's great quality. You don't have to worry about it tarnishing, so that to me is a big deal. When I buy jewelry pieces, I focus on that, especially for jewelry pieces that I know I want to wear for years to come. This is gorgeous, and I know I try like a lot of custom jewelry, but when it comes to jewelry like this that I know I'm gonna wear a lot, this is it, guys. This is gorgeous. So that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you are not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're not. It is free. Make sure you click that subscribe button right now, and until next time, remember, God bless. Ciao.